23 to 27. To his mate, number 27. Number 16. Yes sir, 2 points by number 16.
Pagod ka na.
Number 15. To number 4. To number 15 again. Still by number 23.
Parang rugby lang dumikit. Hala. Harapan.
Blue ball. Number 4. There's a fake for 3. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 to number 22. Guard by number 4. Number 22 to 27. To number 23. To number 27 again. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number
James?
51.
Sino magtumawag sa'yo? Sino tumawag sa'yo?
Number 16. Still by number 4.
Tingnan ko kung may tumawag sa'yo.
Number 11, number 11, 2 points. Yes sir, 2 points by number 11. Number 27.
Ayos lang, boss.
360. For 3. No good. No good. Rebound by number 27 again. Number 27 to number 23. Fake number 23 to number 27. Back to number 23 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16 to...
Pwede mo sa kabila. Ilang teams ba doon? 5 lang? Tinilay pa, 5 pa. Foul number 14.
Foul number 14.
No, dapat sumuport na lang. Sumuport na lang. Ang problema sa sunod sa kanila. Kanya walang problema.
Yes sir, 2 points.
Nakahabol ako sa kabila. Okay na mga doon yung malamang doon. Dito sa kabila.
Ang pangalan mo?
Wala.
Hindi pa naman ito. Ang pangalan nyo?
Number 14, no good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. There's a whistle. Foul number 16.
Cardona. Daming pan si Cardona. Cardona.
No good. Last draw. No good. Rebound by number 27 to number 23. 23 to number 22. No good. Rebound by number 45 to number 51. Number 51. To number 45. To number 14. Still by number 16.
Brad!
Number 16.
Brian.
To number 27. There's a... Same ball.
Ha? Dapat pa mo sa ano, Brian? Ay... Ikaw dito, ikaw. Wow, sana all.
10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8. White ball. Number 4. Number 4.
Wala eh, gamay.
To number 51. 2 points. Number 1 by number 22. Still by number 14. Number 16 still again. 16 looking to his mate. Number 16. Drive. No good. Rebound by number 16 again. Ang lakas. To number 23. 23. His mate to number 16 again.
Magandang laro yun.
Hiningal ng
Kita mo
konti.
parang mga PBA yun. Kasi madami mga...
Hinihingal. 10
Ikaw ang
seconds
pinihirahin dahil punta dito. Malakas yun. Lakas.
7.
Si Buado.
Good. Number 4 for 2 points. No good. Rebound by 360.
Denmark naglaro yan.
Luis. 360. Looking to his mate. To number 16. Number 16 to number 23 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 51. Number 51. To number 4. Number 4. Right. Novo, rebound by number 22. Oops,
Ayaw
violation.
na namin yung mga ano. Ayaw na namin yung issue-issue. Basta yung
White ball.
kita mo naman yung selection. At saka kaya nag-select na kami ng buong Espanya.
Number 15, 51. 51 to number 45.
Kaya pumunta kami sa Malaga nga para i-picture sila.
Rebound by
Kasi hindi sila makasali. Hindi sila makasali kasi yung ako lang talaga nakarestro sa kanila sa mga Kings of Europe. Kasi hindi pwede yung kunwari Spain, mayroon kang Malaga, hindi pwede. Isa lang talaga. Sabi nga nila, kung gusto yung sumali, makiano kayo kay Ruel. Coordinate kayo. Yung gusto, tawang-tawa yung kinuha namin, itong dalawa. Pero walang malalakas talaga mga yan. Gawin mo yun, nag-MVP ng
Number
Kings of Europe.
14, last row. Yes,
Player
sir. Cambio.
Cebu, Ateneo Cebu.
Number 19,
Switzerland, so nag-champion.
number 16 out.
Siya. Tingnan mo, ito, nalalain ko Bitoy, di ba? Naglalaing Toy. Sabi nga ni Mark, tingnan nyo yung laro nyo, iba. Sabi niya, gagaling nyo sa sabong, pero dito hindi kayo makaporma. Kaya kailangan may pang-practice yung nasabi niya.
To number 23, 43.
Kulang sa ano,
Yes, sir.
rotation ng bola.
Di lang nila naintindihan yun.
3M.
Kulang sa
3 points by 3M.
mga dito sa technical sa ilalim.
Kasi
Sa
hindi problema ito, ito problema.
Ano kulang?
VIP na, handa ka kahit nag-practice ka daw.
Dadi lang amin.
So nga di anak mo no, alam mo, kailangan practice si Suna.
Rumorya din
Number
mga
19 for 2. Novo rebound
Ako
by
nang bahala
number
dun sa baby ko.
27. Yes, sir. He made it. 2 points by number 27.
Di ba sa'yo, ang dami yung depensa sa loob.
Number
Hindi na
51.
makakapasok.
Magaling ka lang ako.
Wala ka
No,
talaga nakalak.
pero yung ano, pero
Kaya nyo ako kamo pag ganito. Ilalak mo, huwag mo tignan nyo yung tao
kaya
sa
gusto
harap
nilang
nyo.
pumasok. Gusto nilang pumasok. Sinarapin, gagaling nila dito. Diba? Wala, hindi makapurma mo.
Oo, pag tumatalsik sila.
27.
Wala.
22 to
Bagal ka sa loob, gano'n hindi. Kaya mo, may isa.
Pero mas malakas yung October kasi andun yung mga UK, mga Denmark, yung malalakas, saka yung Norway na ano, naki-championship.
Number is intercepted by number 27. Number 27. Yes, sir. He made it. 2 points by number 27. Time out!
Nagkatuda. Yun, katigit-tigit ko sila. Veterano ko yun.
8 blades.
Gusto nilang ano, sabi kasi kulang pa sila sa ano eh. Kasi nakita tapos mag-defense ako ganun ka ako hangga't hindi ko tinatawan ng referee ganun ang defense ako. Minsan kasi takot sila ma-foul. Sabi ko ang tagal ko na naglaro.
Sacrifice.
No, sabi ko kasi ang tagal ko na naglaro sa mga ganyan ako. Tingnan mo hindi pa ako napapal kasi normal lang yun ako. Kasi pag once na kunwari pinalo ka ng referee naman, medyo luwag mo yung ano mo defense pero pag hindi na pitch yung referee ganun lang.
Balikan mo na naman ang kasi
Kasi minsan kasi ayaw ko lang magbaba dahil gusto ko rin sila mabigyan ng playing time. Minsan kasi sabi ko sa akin ng practice.
Free throw by number 27. Last throw. Last throw by number 27. Blue.
Ano bang laro ng anak mo?
Sunat, kaya 4 sunat. 3.
Pangalan ng number 11 na yun?
Nung dati 2, kaya ayan na.
Boss Jonathan, nung pangalan ng number 11?
Kaya ayan, Tigo. Dani.
Magaling yan, idol ko yan.
Idol namin yan, idol.
Idol yan, idol namin yan, bale.
Number 1. To number 15, number 15. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 15. Number 11.
Kapag batang tigal-dig na tigal man.
Number 11, number 2 is made. To number 25. Number 25. Number 25. There is a whistle. Foul number 1. Blue.
Iyawa na niya, ipanapilog na kaya kung hilaw mo, abay ako batang mo na press back. Ako na sila.
13 foul.
Tadwa kami kininisto.
Check ball.
Kumaya, gumata.
14 seconds.
Gumata mo
Shot
ilan
clock.
na ipagkipakita sa press ko.
Ten.
Tatay yug mo, tapos sumupot kami, nalagtog mo.
9. 8. There's a whistle.
Saktan na, kumait.
Foul number 1.
Fourth warning.
Fourth Blades, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. No good by number 15. Last draw.
Bro, hanggang giyawat ni Cerveza at ang tawa.
Yes sir, ready. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 30. Number 34. To number 7 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 35. Number 35, intercepted by number 34. There's a whistle. Foul number 27. Last 1 minute and 6 seconds. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Number 7, no good. Last throw by number 7. Last 1 minute. Yes sir, we made it. 1 point. Last 50 seconds, remaining time, 50 seconds.
Sirwen.
10 seconds, shot clock. Last 30 seconds.
360.
Foul, 360. Last 30 seconds. No. 30 seconds remaining time. 25 seconds remaining time. Last 22 seconds. Last 22 seconds remaining time. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7 seconds remaining time. There's a whistle. Foul number 25, 25, 25. Last 7 seconds remaining time. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Number 25, line ball. Number 25. No good. Rebound by
Laro ka.
same ball.
Laro.
Blue ball. Blue. Number 8. Yes sir. 2 points by number 11.
Ganda ng takbo.
Number 34 to number 15. Number 15 is still by number 8. Number 8 to number 0. Number 0, 2 points, no good, rebound by number 15. Why? Number 15 breaks. Number 15 is still up, there's a whistle. Foul number 25. Symbol, Blades ball.
Second personal foul.
Number 25, second personal foul, first team foul. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, no good. Rebound by number 19. Number 8 to number 0. Number 0 to number 9. Number 9 looking to his way to number 11. Easy 2. No good. Rebound by number 1 to number 7. Blades number 7. Looking to his way. Number 7 to number 9. Number 9 to number 7. Yes sir. Easy 2 by number 7. Blades. violation, loose ball by number 8, number 34.
Set them out, bale. Ay, tempo, bale.
Number 8 to his mate of loose ball.
Tempo.
Time out. El Torres no. Okay, El Torres no ball. Ang time out Torres na, isa ka na
Asol. Batangas, Batangas.
Oh, Batangas plate, Batangas. Number 7. To number 24. To his mate, number 1. Yes sir, Rimidi, number 1. 2 points by number 1. Number 8. To number 11. Number 25. Number 25 to number 3. Number 19 is Phil.
Ay cambio, bale. Ay cambio.
Yes sir, easy two by number 7. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Number 0. Number 0 to number 11. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Good. 14 to shoot. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. To number 9. Number 9. To number 7. Number 7 to number 14 to shoot. Number 34. No good. Rebound by number 25. Still by number 25 to number 11. Number 11 to number 8 to number 0. Number 0 to number 19. Intercepted by number 9 to number 34. 14 to shoot. Number 15. I cambio. 10. Loose ball.
Serving. Bow.
Last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes. Score 16-15 in favor of El Torres. 16-15. Number 360. No good. Rebound by number 25. Still by number 7. Number 7. Late. Number 7 moving to his mate to number 34. Number 34 for 2. Yes sir. 2 points there by number 32. 2 points. 34. Number 27. Oh, still. Number 11.
Payable na sila.
Number 7. Number 7 for Savisen. Foul number 0. Foul number 0.
Marunong ka mag-video? Nakaupo ka pa.
Second team foul.
Maya, second game, bale.
First personal foul. First goal by number 7. Last 3 minutes. I cambio. Last 3 minutes. Number 7 good.
Pasok yun ha.
Yes sir, repeat it. 2 points by number 7. 2 points by number 7.
Payable na sila, 19-16.
19, 16 in Febres, El Plate. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 0 to number 360. 360 of traveling violation. Number 34. Looking to speed. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2 points, 2 points there. 2 points by number
2 points only, 2 points only.
24. Number 27 to number 0. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time.
Ano mo kay pare kung anong parang 24?
Yung 24 mo, anong pangalan?
24. 24. 24.
Ano pangalan? Bakbakin. Bakbakan talaga.
Last 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 34. Number 14 to shoot. Number 22 to number 0. Intercepted by okay, let's ball. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Number 34. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. No good rebound by number 84. Intercepted by number 316. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 24. Last 59 seconds. Last 59 seconds remaining time.
Second game, Kabudel versus Barangay Ortil.
Second game, Barangay Ortil versus Kabudel. Number 0. Last 50 seconds remaining. 50 seconds remaining time. 22. Yes, sir. Easy to by number 22. Last 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 84. Last 30 seconds. Remaining time. Last 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10, 9. Number by number 27. Yes, sir. Number 27. Last 11 seconds. Remaining time. 11 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rebound by number 19, number 19 to his mate, number 0. Number 0 attacking the ring, number 0 to his mate. Loose ball by number 0. Sorry about that, number 0. Number 4. To number 51, number 51. To number 8 for 3. No good. Okay. El Torres no ball, number 22. Number 22 to his mate. 14 to shoot, number 0. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Oh, loose ball by number 14. Number 19. El Torres no, number 19. Looking to his way to number 22 for 3. Low 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Leads. To number 8. Number 8. Number 8 to number 4. Number 4. to number 51. 14 to shoot, number 14. Yes sir, easy to by number 14, Blades. Number 0. Number 0, looking to Smith. To number 15. Number 15. Intercepted by number 10. Number 10. Blades, number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound by. Same ball. Same ball.
Dito ka na lang, mag-video ka, nakaupo ka pa. Di ba? Sob.
Substitution, right? Substitution.
Masamang tila.
Pagkakataon mo na mamaya. Number 4 for 3, no good. Rebound by 3M. The MVP. 3M to his mate. Number 3M for 3, no good. Rebound by number 15. Number 51, easy to, yes sir, lay after by number 51. Number 51, there's Ansel. Foul. Number 23.
Palitan niyo rin si Wisdom.
Foul number 23.
First personal foul.
First team foul by 3M. 3M, the MVP. 3M. Number 4 to number 51. 51 to number 14. Yes, sir! What a easy 2-point alley-oop shot there by number 14. Number 0. Looking to his feet. To 3M.
Dayana, oh.
Easy ball. 14 to shoot. Number 15. Number 14. To number 51. 51 to number 4. Number 4, attacking the ring, no good. Rebound by number 16 to number 3M.
Ay, cambio, bale.
To number 19, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 14, to number 4. To number 14 again. Number 14, using the board, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. To number 0. Number 0. Attacking the ring. Yes sir, he made it. Number 0, 2 points by number 0. Last 6 minutes.
Ay, cambio tol, bale.
Number 51, I cambio después. Number 51, looking to his mate. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, rebound by number 27. Number 27 looking to his feet. To number 3M for 3. The MVP. 3 points.
Woo!
3 points by 3M. The MVP. Number 51 to number 10. Number 10 to number 4 to number 8. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, yes sir, no good. Number 37 to number 90. Last 5 minutes. Number 37, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, yes sir, he made it.
Automatic na, no?
Hindi, automatic.
Boss, palipat mo na yung score. Lipat tayo. Wala, Boss Toyo, asan ha? Si Boss Toyo, wala. Pamila na puyat ha. Geng-geng. Nageng-geng si Boss Toyo. Pre, pagpalitin mo para hindi siya malito.
Okay, Batangas ball.
palupusin mo na lang.
Number 24. To number 51. To number 10. Number 10 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. Looking to straight. Guarding his straight. Number 0. 14 to shoot. Number 8. To number 23. Okay. Loose ball by number 8. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Number 51. Attacking. Number 51 to straight. Number 7. Number 7. There's a whistle. Foul number 11.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Number 11, first personal foul, second team foul. No good. Number 7, last throw by number 7. No good. Rebound by? Same ball, same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. No good. Yes, sir. El Torresno's ball.
Bawas si San!
Number 8. Number 8. Yes, sir. Maybe 2 points.
Deadlock, deadlock.
Last 2 minutes. Number 34. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul. Number 8. Foul number
First
8.
personal foul, third team foul.
Last 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Number 51 to number 34. Looking to Smith. 14 to shoot. 10. Yes, sir. Number 7. He made it. 2 points by number 7. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time.
Mats tong laban nila, Mats.
Number 8. Looking to Smith. Number 8 to number 23. 3M. Yes, sir. Number 51. Number 51. Attacking. Number 51. There's a Papal Bulka Cinder by MVP. 3M. Number 0. Number 0. To number 23. The MVP. 10 to shoot. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Good. Last 40 seconds. Remaining time. 40 seconds. Number 7. Number 7. Attacking the ring. No, rebound by number 51. There's a block. Same ball.
Ilan pa segundo? Hey, oras. Oras,
Last
oras.
25 seconds.
25.
Remaining time. 25 seconds. 20 seconds remaining time. Yes, sir. Last 15 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time! Still, no good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. No good. Rebound by number 10 to number 15. Number 15. No good. Rebound by intercepted by number 27. Number 27. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25 to number 27. No good again. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Still by number 8. Number 8. To his mate, number 11. Number 11. Oh, there is a violation.
Bravo,
Traveling violation by number 11. Last 9 minutes. Last 9 minutes to go. Number 22. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 27. For 2. No good again. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, Blade. Looking to his mate. Number 1. Number 0 to number 15. Number 15. Number 15 to number 11. Number 11 for his mate. Number 24 to number 10. No good. Rebound by 360. 360 to his mate.
Kala ko si ano, si Prodelis.
Okay, ano ko eh.
To number 27. 14 to shoot. 27 to 360. 360 for 3. Yes sir, using the board. 360. 3 points by 360. Yes sir, using the board. Number 1. Last 8 minutes. Last 8 minutes. Number 15 to number 1. Number 1 to number 10. Number 10. Yes sir, using the board also. Number 27. Number 27 to his mate to number Mr. MVP. MVP to 360. 360 for 3. No good rebound by MVP. 14 to shoot. Number 8. Number 22. Number 22 to number 27. There's a whistle. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Last 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Last 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Remaining time.
Deadlock, ganda.
7 minutes. Deadlock. Third deadlock. 35 all. Number 27. 27 to number 22 for 2. Yes sir. Remaining 22. 2 points by number 22. Number 15 to number 34. 34 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Turn around. There's a whistle. Contact foul. Contact foul. Foul number 27. Foul number 27. Counted foul by number 1.
Second
Free
personal
throw.
foul, first team foul.
Number 27 committed second personal foul, first team foul. Number 1 last throw by number 1. No good. Rebound by 360. Number 22. 22 to Smith to Mr. MVP for 3. MVP no good. Rebound by number. There's a whistle.
Ay!
Yayabangan pa kami.
Yabang!
Third personal foul.
So, paano?
Last 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bali, bali. Reserve, bali.
Yes sir, 2 points by number 1, 2 points by number 1.
Si, pag dead ball ba?
Number 22 to his mate, 360. To Mr. MVP, PM to number 360 for 3. Yes sir, 3 points by 360. 3 points there by 360. Cambio. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Number 51 to his mate to number 10. To number 34 for 3. No good to number 10. No good to number Mr. MVP. Mr. MVP. 3M to number 22. 22 to 360. There's a fake. 14 to shoot. Mr. MVP to number 22 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number 51. Number 51 to number 15. Oh, loose ball. Intercepted by number 19. Number 19 to number 22. No good. Rebound by number 22. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 22. No good. Rebound by number 51. Number 51. Number 51. To his mate to number 34 to 51 again. No good. Rebound by there's a whistle. Foul by number 22. Substitution red.
First personal foul. 22.
Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. First throw by number 15. First throw. No good. Last throw by number 15. Last 4 minutes and 47 remaining.
Basta kung isuktan dito, isuktan spin mo dito, tayo tutok ng aramidin na bawat
there's a violation.
Tres, isuti consider ito may aramidin nyo. Doon 4 mong sukat, isuti yung defensive ka di aramidin na.
Sa kanila naman sa, depende sa kapatid.
Last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes.
Direksyon pa nga lang aro doon.
No good. Rebound by number 34. Evo.
Yung seleksyon na, dapat na bagay ate.
Aking bagay ato. Pingarad daw.
Kasi awal lang timang gusto ng mga na pidas ka bulan. Ang damo nga.
Okay, remaining time. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. 40-39 in favor of El Torresno. 40-39 favor of Torresno.
Nagkamas mo tayo ayaw natin sa loob.
Pas kami pa lang, pas sila ng pera sa kalaban. Ito yung nakalabang biti Juan, nakalabang biti Luruin, awan, at nalos pa. Selisyon na talaga aja ito.
Last 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. Number 22
Kitang tunog ko
to number 0.
Gusto mo tayo ayaw natin ubingin mo.
Ito yung dadakto ka lang.
9, 8, 7, there's a whistle. Foul.
First pa lang.
Number 0. Time to shoot. 9, 8, 7, good. Number 10, there's a whistle. Foul. Number 19.
Warning pa lang,
Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty.
Kailangan nyo yung coach ang pumunta rito, huwag nyo silang intindihin. Yung magtatanong yung coach, huwag yung mga player.
Number 7. For 3. No good. El Torresno ball. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Number 0.
Pangabak.
Number 22 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15 to number 34. Number 34 turn around. No good. Rebound by number 0. El Torresno. Foul. Number 34. Foul. Number 34.
Iwanan de zona.
First foul, second team foul. First foul, second team foul. Second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 47 seconds. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Number 0.
Kaya nag-empty
Number 0 to number 27. Number 27. No good. Number 19. Still 5. Oh, line ball. Same ball. 14 to
Kaya
shoot.
naman, Madrid, ito yung kuha, Espanya.
14 to shoot.
Tadi nalaming nga doka na tipo din.
Hindi ka tagatawan ko paglaro. Suruan na. Amo na yung nga paspasan. Timingan. Urahin di Lucas dyan. Siyempre balag ko na di awat di step sa kam. Dapat na timingan. Talo mo lang na talo 1, 2, 3.
22, number 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8. 14 to shoot. Foul. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Number 22, 14. No good, rebound by number 19, number 19. Traveling violation. Substitution, red. Cambio.
Sobrang.
Intercepted by number 22, El Torresto.
Number 19 ha?
Last 2 minutes.
Number 19. Kagabyo.
14 to shoot. 10, 9, foul. Cambio. Both teams are in penalty situation.
May ano ka? May tutor ka.
Kasi may mabaliktad ka mo, mouth-balance ka ang mga different tayo mo. Yun ang mga step niya sa pagka-duelo.
Both teams are in penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining time.
Mabaliktad ka pa kasi kapay mapirte.
There's a violation. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining time. Last throw. Yes sir, we need it. Cambio. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining time.
Sabi nga ni Provenza,
Both teams are in penalty situation. Both teams are in penalty situation. Number 10 to number 1. No good, rebound by. There is a whistle.
lalo na pag ano, penalty. Wala rin yung baong.
Foul, number 10, penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Foul by number 10. Last 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining time. I can't give away.
Problema mo gini, hindi ba rin yung isa?
1 minute and 43 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining time.
Ayun na lang ano yun ngayon, yung bagong dating.
Number 0. Yes sir.
Kailan ba
First row. PBD, 1 point. Kaya number
Kasi pag
0.
may practice gusto ko isama siya.
Pagkati September eh. Dalawa rin.
Number, rebound by number 10. Number 10. Number 25 to number 27. Yes sir.
Ya, nagawa mo.
Pero ay... Pero...
Biyagan, ilalim, biyagan. Box. Bantay mo dyan, bantay mo dyan.
9, 8. Bebo. Number 0. Yes sir. Timeout. Batangas play. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining time.
Kami, nung naput mo niya, kita ang size doon, terjadi takutrum ka dyan, tadamag ka to. Dahil magistayan dyan eh, pag pinahalaga. May player, mayroon pa siya.
We acknowledge the presence of our player, 360. The 360 man.
Picture niya kagabi, ang gindi.
Para ano ba yung lang tama no?
Piston.
Ulan.
Nihawig naman si Kilo.
Back to the ball game. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining time.
Magkawig din sila. 360. Father and son, 360.
Paray.
Last 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining time. Number 45 for 3. No good, loose ball.
Father and son, 360.
Number 22.
Pick.
To number 0. Number 0 to number 25.
Oh, nakashoot lang.
2 points by number 25. Last 50 seconds.
Ilalim.
No, number 22. Last 40 seconds. Remaining time, 40 seconds. Number 0 to number 25. Number 25.
Oh!
Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds remaining time. For 3, no go. Given by number 27. Last 20 seconds.
Ilalim, pwesto.
15 seconds. 14 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Winner, El Torresno.